When I ask anyone what makes your music unique, most people would probably say, well, the way I use this kind of bass line and how I'm using that in this particular style of music. But where does music come from? It comes from you. And one of the benefits of expressing your uniqueness through music and actually making it a goal is that it causes you to self-reflect on what makes you unique. So, what does make you unique as a musician? Well, obviously, it could be things that you're expressing from your life, your story, the music that you're interested in. I mean, this is another thing that people always say about, what makes me unique? Well, there's a particular way that I'm using this influence and that influence and putting them together, and that's never been done before. So that's definitely something that makes you unique as well. But if you think about all of the things that make you unique as a person, and specifically as a musician, one of the things that only you have, and no one else in the entire world, nobody in the world has the exact combination of skills at the level at which those skills are at as you do. I mean, possibly you could say all beginners are on a level, but even they have different talents and interests and motivations. So when you look at, well, I've got a particular combination of skills, then you also realize that your combination of skills also includes the things that you're not skilled at. I mean, that is a way of describing your combination of skills, the things that I'm not good at. And the problem with the music production industrial complex and the way that it teaches everyone is, in a sense, it's attempting to make everyone the same by getting everybody up to this fixed curriculum of skills that everyone must or should have in order to make great music. How about the opposite route? Let's just pretend that if you were able to make the music which reflected your particular constellation of skills, strengths, and weaknesses, then number one, that music would be way better than attempting to fit the curriculum, theoretically anyway. And number two, that music would by necessity have to be unique because you'd be doing particular things and not doing other things that other people assume you must do. Now, I did say theoretically, so it's not like it's going to be completely possible for a beginner to make music as great as Mozart. But that idea, that way of moving forward, actually reduces the overwhelm and also immediately increases the quality of your music because you focus on the things you already can do and realize that by continually doing that and deciding what you want to develop first, because doing this doesn't mean that you don't develop anything else, of course you do. But taking this as the first step means that not only do you make music that's better, not only does it automatically start sounding more like you, literally, also you have more fun and that music is unique.